Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to create an Instagram story with the Photoshop only with iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Photoshop application on your iPhone. So the Photoshop application for mobile phone will be symbolized with this icon, which is the PS Express, and then you just need to go click it to open it. If you haven't had those, you just need to visit the App Store and start to download them. And now to create the Instagram story, there will be like a lot of way to create them. You can just like exploring the Photoshop's features. So there will be like a blank canvas if you want to create your own creations for Instagram story. So you just need to choose the blank canvas and choose the ratio for the Instagram stories. But here I will like to do a fast way and a quick by go click visit the trending part, and I will like to choose this or one of their trending templates, and after that just choose the picture and wait until the Photoshop gives us the recommendation of the templates, and we just need to choose the templates for our content. It will be like take like a lot of times, just depending on the internet that you have for your phone. And after you're done, here is the look. If you're already satisfied, or if you haven't satisfied, you just need to explore all of the themes that already provided by the Photoshops for you. And to make this become a photo, the Instagram story, you just need to go click this download icon, and whenever it's already downloaded, you just need to go back home, open your Instagram application, and after that we need to open the Instagram story and pick the picture that we already added with the Photoshop. So that's the way how to create Instagram story with Photoshop. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.